Hello.
I'm Kyle.
And I'm Collie.
Welcome to our channel.
Fucking dirty. Hi everyone. Today we are at an air show. This here is an actual crop duster. This is the Life Watch helicopter coming in.
Here's some real neat planes that came in that we enjoyed watching. We didn't get to see them land, but watching them taxi in was fun. They're experimental aircrafts that were hand-built at home, kit planes, so to speak. We got the privilege of speaking to one of the pilots, and they're out of Great Bend, but they fly around to area airports and restaurants, etc., air shows, just enjoy flying. But they're real neat small planes. The yellow one here you see is probably the fastest of the bunch. He landed first, but is the last one to taxi into their parking area because he was a lot further down the runway. Really fun to watch him coming in like that and landing.
These kites are all handmade. They're really cool and they're huge.
The lower they get to the ground, the less energy they have. The higher they're up, that's why when I say I wouldn't let my kids play underneath them, because that truck is already moved 4 feet. That's a full ton. Yeah, I'm like, I would not let my kids play there. You're safe up here because there's nothing that's going to happen here. Just with you. But this one's break free right now. I have 3 kites, all that energy, plus 2 daggers that are 4 feet long. You know, and I can't stop it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share so we can keep the channel growing.